Want to make money referring people to real estate without being a realtor? Let's find out if Realtor or other real estate companies offer affiliate programs. First, let's head over to Google and type in Realtor affiliate program. We're looking for any official affiliate or partner pages directly from Realtor. After doing some digging, Realtor doesn't appear to have a publicly advertised affiliate program directly on their website. This means they might not offer commission-based referrals open to everyone. But don't worry, there are many other real estate websites like Zillow, Trulia, and Redfin. Let's broaden our search and see if any of them have an affiliate program. Let's try searching for Zillow affiliate program. Scroll down to the bottom of the website to the footer area. This is where most affiliate programs are listed. After investigating Zillow and the other major players, we're still finding that direct affiliate programs with those companies are less common. However, there are lots of smaller real estate-related companies that offer affiliate programs, such as real estate investing courses or property management software. To find real estate affiliate programs, let's check out popular affiliate networks such as Commission Junction, ShareSale, and on these networks host many different companies' affiliate programs. Once you're approved for a program, you'll get a unique affiliate link to share. When someone clicks your link and completes a purchase, you earn a commission. So, while Realtor might not have a direct affiliate program, the real estate niche definitely offers opportunities for affiliate marketing. Start exploring those networks, and happy earning.